Today I'm going to be showing how to optimize and defragment drives within Windows 10. So most of us have heard of Disk Defragmenter that's built into Windows. So by default, the Windows Defrag typically runs on a weekly schedule and to optimize your drives and to increase the performance of your hard disk. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this for any specific drive. So we're going to jump right into it. So in order to run Disk Defragmenter from any one drive, does not have to be your main hard drive. So you want to type in this PC. It should be listed right above the desktop app option. So if you have any other hard drives in your computer other than the C drive, you can still do what we're about to do here. So just click on the drive you want to optimize. And then you want to left click on Manage up at the top. You see that Drive Tools appears right next to this PC. So when you click on Manage, you see there's an option to optimize. So left click on Optimize. This will launch the Disk Defragmenter. At this point, you can either analyze the drive, which will tell you what percentage of your hard disk is fragmented. You could optimize it, which will automatically analyze and optimize at the same time, so it won't give you a chance, it'll just do the whole process. And if you left click on change settings under here, you can change the frequency of which the Disk Defragmenter runs. We see that it runs regularly on a weekly basis, and it also will notify if 3 consecutive scheduled runs are missed. And that's about it, guys. So at that point, you can just select whichever method you wanted to do and let Disk Defragmenter run. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.